Hello everyone, this is Manjusha Meher from Ignite Brain Begin Excel Exceed. Welcome back once again to my channel. In the last class, we discussed about algebra and variables. So in today's class, let's discuss algebraic expression. So let's start. Okay, let's begin with algebraic expression. Now, how to write sum of 3 and 7 in mathematical form? Here, sum means addition, right? So we can simply write it as 3 plus 7. Now we can see here it is used only number, right? So we can call this as numerical expression. So whenever only number is used, we call it a numerical expression. Now, how to write sum of a number and 7 in mathematical form? Now, we don't know the value of that number, right? So what we can use here is variable in place of that. So we can simply write it as x plus 7. Now here, variable x can take any numerical. Now here x can take any numerical value, right? So now as this expression contains variables, so it is called as algebraic expression. So what we can see here is wherever the expression has only numbers, we call it as numerical expression. And wherever the expression has variables in it, we can call it as algebraic expression. Now, there is some other way to write it in mathematical way. Now, if I say sum of a number and 8 equals 13, how we are going to write it? Now, in mathematical way, we can write it as x plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, this is called equation. Here we can write it as x plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, as you can see here, it has an expression on both the side of equals to symbol, right? So what we can say here is whenever there is an expression on both the side of equals to symbol, we call it as equation. Okay, so what we have learned till now, if an expression contains only numbers, it is called numerical expression. If an expression contains variables, it is called algebraic expression. And whenever there is an expression on both the side of equals to symbol, we call it as equation. Now, there's one more important thing to learn here. Let's see that. Okay, so in algebraic expression, there is one more important thing to learn, that are terms. Okay, so now if I write here 7, how many terms it is having? Yes, it is having one term. But I write here 7 plus x, then how many terms? This is having 2 terms, right? What are those 2 terms? One is 7 and one is x. So here it is 2 terms. But now when I write 7 divided by x, then how many terms it is having? It is still having one term. Why? Because when a term is divided by another term, it still gives you one term only. So in this case also, it is having one term only. So what we see here is only addition and subtraction separates the term, but multiplication and division do not. Let's take another example. Now when I write here 7 plus x minus y. Then how many terms are there here? We can see here, this is addition and this is subtraction. And 7x and y are 3 terms. So this expression has 3 terms, right? Yes. Now, but when I write here 4x, then how many terms this is having? Yes, it is still having 1 term, right? Because it is a multiplication symbol. So what we learned here is only addition and subtraction separates the term, but multiplication and division do not. Hope this was useful. So what we learned today here is algebraic expression, equation, and terms. Follow Ignite Brain for more learning. Thank you.